Hey everyone, welcome to the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you how to add a certificate or license to your LinkedIn profile. I'm on the site now, so next you need to click the Me button and view profile. There. Next, click Add Profile section and then Add Licenses or Certificates. Fill in all these fields. Yeah, they're just filled in as an example. Enter your ID here or a link. Maybe you have a link. So you need to enter the organization that issued your certificate. You can also add a skill here if you want. Yeah, but I'm just entering this as an example. Their example, yeah. And you can add here a scan or image of your certificate or a link to the image or website. I'll just add a photo as an example. Here you can write the title and description of what you're adding, then click Apply and Save. Yeah, you need to enter the company here, then click Save. There, and after clicking Apply, your profile will now show licenses, certificates, and your certificate. There, that's it. This has been Weiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.